Let me show you how to make this quick jacket in less than 5 minutes. Let's go. After folding your fabric, you measure 3 inches here. This is where you put the shoulder, this is where you put the chest, the tummy, and the hip. After that, you're just going to come down here and measure 7 inches or 8 inches. Then rule your line here. Use your tape and measure 2 inches or 2.5. And this folding right here is 3 inches. You cut down that 2.5 mark and cut every other part this way. So this is how the folding is. What I'm going to do, I'm going to sew this part. You can see I've already sewed it, and I'm going to turn it inside out and give it a very good press. And at the end of the day, this is how it's going to be. On that part, I'm going to measure 6 inches here also, and I'm going to fold it this way and give it a very, very good press. After pressing it, this should be the outcome. This is what you should be expecting. Remember to give it a good press. This should be the outcome, and that is all about it. In another video, I'm going to show you how exactly to cut every single thing and how to fix the back. Make sure you follow me, like, and share this video. Have a great day.